Craving a delicious hearty lasagna but want to keep it healthy and easy? Let's get started.
First, we'll need to brown a pound of lean ground beef with some chopped onion and minced garlic in a large skillet over medium-high heat. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes until the meat is nicely browned. Next, we'll stir in 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and half a teaspoon of dried basil. 15 ounces of tomato sauce. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes to blend all those flavors together.
In a small mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of part-skim ricotta cheese and 1.5 cups of low-fat shredded mozzarella cheese. This mixture will give that lasagna a creamy, cheesy goodness that we all love. If you don't want to substitute part-skim ricotta and low-fat mozzarella cheese and use the kind of cheese you would like for your family.
Now we'll start layering. Spoon 1/3 of the tomato beef mixture into the crock pot. Break 3 large noodles in half and arrange them on top of the tomato beef mixture. Then spread half of the ricotta cheese mixture over the noodles. Repeat with another layer and finish with the remaining 1/3 of the meat mixture.
Cover and cook on low for 4 to 6 hours. This slow cooking process allows you time to do other things while still making a great dinner.
About 10 minutes before serving, combine the remaining half a cup of shredded mozzarella and half a cup of shredded Parmesan in a small bowl. Sprinkle it over the top of the lasagna, cover it, and let it melt.
Here's a tip. Using part-skim and low-fat cheeses helps keep this dish lighter and perfect.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes and beginner cooking tips. If you make our slow cooker lasagna, tell us about it in the comments.
Thanks for watching along as we made this delicious slow cooker lasagna. It can be your new favorite weeknight meal. And if you're looking for a perfect side dish, check out our Liberty Tree Tavern salad next. It's a fantastic healthy complement to this lasagna and equally easy to prepare. Check back for more recipes that are as easy as 1, 2, 3.